Simple and easy English. Welcome to Ihsan Creator. I'm Emma. This podcast is for people who want to learn English slowly and clearly. Today, I'll share my story of learning Spanish. I want to tell you what worked for me and what didn't. I started learning Spanish many years ago. I was young and excited. I thought it would be easy, but it wasn't. I felt lost and quiet. I didn't understand anything. But I didn't give up. I kept going, and little by little, things started to change. I learned one word at a time. I listened to people talk, and I repeated words. I said, hola, hello, and smiled. I practiced every day, even if it was just for a few minutes. Then I discovered shadowing. It's when you listen to someone speak and repeat what they say at the same time. It was strange at first, but it helped me a lot. My mouth started to move faster, and my brain started to follow. I made a rule for myself, just 10 minutes of Spanish every day. Sometimes I was tired or busy, but I stuck to it. And it made a big difference. After a few months, I could speak more clearly and understand more. I didn't learn perfect Spanish, but I could communicate. I could travel, order food, and make new friends. I was proud of myself, and I learned that language is not a race. It's slow and quiet, one step at a time. You can do it too. Even if you feel shy or slow, just start with one small word or one small step every day. That's how I learned, and that's how you can learn too. I want to tell you about a big lesson I learned. Language is not about being perfect, it's about communicating. You don't need to know every word or grammar rule. You just need to start, and you'll see progress. So, my friends, thank you for listening to my story. I hope it helps you. I hope it gives you hope. If you liked it, come back again, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Next time, we'll learn something new together. Stay slow, stay strong, and keep believing in yourself.